Hey there! Have you ever wanted to make a difference in helping to reduce your impact on the environment by developing new or redesigning products, services, processes, or technologies? Well, we have some great news for you. The i.d.e.a fund is now available and offering up to $30,000 in matching seed funding to 120 high-potential companies in Southern Ontario. This is your chance to become part of the green recovery and make a difference in the fight against climate change. The i.d.e.a Fund is delivered in partnership with 6 Ontario Regional Innovation Centres. You'll receive specialized industry expertise to help you develop growth plans, attract talent, and increase market diversification. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity and apply now for the i.d.e.a Fund. Help make a difference and be part of the green recovery. Apply for this project and more at pampermenetwork.com. Tell a friend and earn cash rewards for your creative projects or startup.